His hand is so strong hold. So it's not pull down.
He got all the way up here, honey.
Good boy. You're climbing the stairs. You're gonna go up.
Come on, Bowen.
Go up. Up.
Come on, Bowen. Come on.
Go up.
Come on.
Up. Up.
Come on. Grab it here.
Up. That's right. Come up. You gonna come up? Up.
What are you trying to do now?
Is he going down?
Yeah.
Are you going down?
No, he can't reach these now.
Are you going
He tried
down?
them, you know, but
Are you going
he feel
down?
that safe.
Down or up? Are you going down?
Come on, Bowen.
Down?
Come on, Bowen. Come on up, buddy. Come on up, buddy.
Going up?
Yeah.
Come on up, buddy.
You going up? Up. Good. Go up.
Come on, Bowen.
Come on. Go
Come on,
up.
Bowen.
Up. Go up. No? You just gonna hang out there for a while?
Yeah, he likes it.
Okay. Maybe later. I'll come back, okay? Keep practicing.
Oh, sorry, Mama.
Okay. Oh, you.
Where's Honey?
So, Mom, downstairs?
Oh,